In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Asana to plan your daily tasks effectively, step by step, so you can stay organized and get more done every day. Stick around till the end to discover how you can access an exclusive free trial of Asana. Yes, you heard that right. To start with, Asana is a powerful task management tool, and it's perfect for anyone who needs help staying on top of their daily tasks. Whether you're managing a team or just planning your personal tasks, Asana helps keep everything in one place. Let's jump straight into it. The first thing you'll want to do is create a new project. In Asana, projects are like containers for your tasks. You can choose between a list format or a board format, depending on how you prefer to see your tasks. If you're looking to plan your day, a list format is typically the best option. Next thing, let's talk about how to add tasks. Once your project is set up, simply click the Add Task button. You can give your task a name, assign it to someone, if you're working with a team, and set a due date. Setting a due date is key to keeping your day on track, especially when you're planning multiple tasks. You'll want to make sure each task has a clear deadline so it doesn't get lost in the shuffle. The third thing to do is prioritize your tasks. Once you have a list of your daily tasks, it's time to organize them by priority. Asana makes this easy with its priority feature. You can color code or label tasks as high, medium, or low priority. This way, you can make sure the most important tasks are at the top of your list, ready to tackle first. The fourth thing to mention is task dependencies. If one task can't start until another is finished, Asana has a feature for that too. Simply link tasks together, and Asana will automatically show you the order in which they should be completed. This is especially useful for complex projects where certain tasks need to be done in a specific order. Next up, we have subtasks. If a task is big or complicated, you can break it down into smaller, manageable subtasks. This helps you stay organized and make sure nothing falls through the cracks. It's a simple way to track your progress and ensures that each part of your task gets completed. Finally, Asana offers a great overview of everything you need to do, from daily tasks to long-term projects. You can use the Today view to see what's on your plate for the day, or use the Calendar view to get a broader look at upcoming deadlines. This will give you a comprehensive view of your tasks so you can stay on top of everything. If you're ready to give Asana a try and start planning your daily tasks more efficiently, you can use it for free by clicking the first link below. Plus, we've got an exclusive bonus for you that will give you even more functionality to help you plan your day like a pro. To wrap up, Asana is an incredibly powerful tool for planning daily tasks, and it's really easy to get started with. Whether you're working on a personal project or managing a team, Asana can help keep you organized and on track. Don't forget to check out the link below for your free trial and exclusive bonus. Thanks for watching.